Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to give some tips which can make your iPhone volume much more louder than before. So let's start the video. There are two speakers at the bottom and one at the top in every iPhone. The first setting is turning on late night sound. You have to open settings, then scroll down all the way and tap on music. Then open EQ option and select late night sound. This setting will increase the volume of your iPhone drastically. Now the second thing you have to do is cleaning of your iPhone speakers with a gentle soft brush. This practice increases speaker sound of your iPhone. Third setting to boost your volume is open settings, then scroll down all the way and then open music tab. Here turn on sound check if it is off. There is another option as well, mobile data streaming. Open it and select high quality instead of high efficiency. It will also increase the volume of your iPhone and you can feel better volume than before. The fourth and the second last tip is headphone safety. Go to the sound and haptics, open headphone safety and change 85 decibels to 100 decibels. It will increase the volume. Or you can also turn this option off, which means you can always remain on 100 decibel until you turn it on again. The fifth setting is headphone accommodation. You have to go to accessibility in settings, then scroll down and open audio and visuals. Now open headphone accommodation and turn this option on. Now slide this line from slight to strong and then select vocal range instead of balanced tone. After doing all these settings, your iPhone sound and volume increases 100%. You must have to change these settings. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.